Hello and welcome to our latest renovation in the West Village, New York. For this project, we renovated the back area of the house that faces the garden and the primary kitchen. Our client Brandy is a professional cook and asked us to renovate the space so she could use it as a prep kitchen. The first thing you see when you walk into the space is the neon sign. Randy named the space after her dog Leonard, who died a year and a half ago. For this project, we completely refloored the space using 16 by 16 inches terrazzo tile in diamante color from Italy. We preserved the white mosaic wall that already existed. The back counter and cabinets are made of stainless steel with an integrated prep sink. Stainless steel is a great material choice, especially for professional cooks. It is a very strong material, corrosion resistant, antibacterial, and easy to clean. The center island is custom made. It has an undermount stainless steel sink and the counter is a Korean solid surface in designer white color. Korean is also a great material for counter. It is non-porous, so stain cannot penetrate its surface and can be maintained with minimum care. The handle and knobs are in brushed nickel. We installed this beautiful bridge kitchen faucet in polished chrome from Perrin & Rowe. The prep faucet from the same collection has been installed on the prep sink. To illuminate the island, we have this 18 inches pendant light from BTC in light gray and white interior. We retiled the walls of the powder room with this bright Tassos white hone marble mosaic tile. That's all for this project. We hope you like it as much as we loved working on it, and we'll see you at our next renovation. Start a new chapter with us.